It's 8 a.m., and as you step out into the day, you leave behind not just a place to live, but a world filled with your memories, treasures, and comforts. As a renter, have you ever wondered how you can keep all that safe without crossing the line of your lease agreement? Imagine a security solution that's both cutting edge and completely reversible. No drills, no damage, and absolutely no lease violations. What if I told you that with today's wireless technology and state of the art security systems, enhancing your home's security professionally without breaking your lease or the bank is not only possible, but also easy to take with you when you move? Hi, I'm Kathy, your security pro and guide to smarter, safer rental living. This video is packed with lease-friendly and budget-conscious ideas that anyone can implement. From wireless wonders to removable marvels, I'll show you how to secure your rental without risking your deposit. Ready to find out how to safeguard your rented home and still get your full deposit back when you move? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to a safer, smarter rental living experience. Securing your rental might seem like a challenge, especially when you're trying to navigate the do's and don'ts of your lease agreement. But enhancing the safety of your doors and windows is simpler and more accessible than many renters realize. Let's talk about a couple of devices that can alert you to a potential security breach without causing any damage to your rental property. These alarms are incredibly renter-friendly due to their easy, tool-free installation because they adhere securely with double-sided tape. This means no drills, no screws, and no worries about losing your security deposit. These alarms provide loud alerts to scare off intruders and notify you or your neighbors of any attempts to break through your doors or windows. Plus, with features like chime mode, you're kept in the loop on the comings and goings in your home. Another option which is especially useful when you're at home is a doorstop alarm. It's not just about physically blocking entry, but also about sounding a loud alarm if someone tries to force the door open. I personally find this type of door alarm particularly useful for bedroom doors, adding an extra layer of security in situations where you're living with roommates or you want an additional sense of safety in your personal space. Plus, you can even bring it along with you when you travel to use in hotel rooms, ensuring that you feel safe no matter where you are. Now, when it comes to windows, simple locks and adjustable removable bars can provide additional security against break-ins by ensuring the window cannot be opened from the outside, all without leaving a mark on your rental. And for detecting less obvious threats, like a window being tampered with or broken, vibration alarms are your go-to. They stick on easily with double-sided adhesive and alert you to the first sign of trouble. And for those sliding glass doors, don't underestimate the power of a security bar or a sturdy dowel to keep them securely closed. Sometimes it's the simplest solutions that make all the difference. These solutions are about layering your security measures, creating a multi-tiered defense system that enhances your rental safety in a non-permanent, budget-friendly way. And the good news? You can easily find any of the devices mentioned in this video and start securing your space today. I've included links to purchase these devices on Amazon in the video description below. So take a moment after the video and check them out. After securing our doors and windows, the next step is to look at our outdoor spaces. Burglars shy away from well-lit areas, making outdoor lighting key to deterring unwelcome visitors. Solar-powered motion-sensing lights are an ideal solution for renters. Easy to install without wiring, they light up automatically when detecting movement, keeping dark areas around your home brightly lit. This not only makes your rental less appealing to intruders, but also supports eco-friendly living. Solar lights like the Tough Enough and UR Power brands simplify securing your outdoor areas. They can be easily mounted with minimal tools, and for those concerned about making permanent changes, adhesive hooks or standalone poles offer a damage-free option. By incorporating these lights, you transform your rental's exterior into a secure and inviting space, ensuring peace and safety. It's a straightforward and effective approach to bolster your home's defenses. In our connected era, wireless security cameras offer renters a powerful tool to monitor their homes remotely. Perfect for those of us in spaces where drilling holes isn't an option, these cameras blend convenience with advanced security. With a straightforward setup, they plug into any electrical outlet and connect to Wi Fi to provide real time footage and motion alerts directly to your phone, keeping you informed of any activity. While these cameras are valuable tools, they're not a standalone security solution. It's important to remember that cameras should be part of a broader security strategy that may include physical locks, alarm systems, and community vigilance. They offer a layer of deterrence and post incident evidence, but cannot prevent all security breaches on their own. Embracing wireless cameras can significantly enhance your rental security, marrying modern technology with renter friendly installation. After exploring a range of DIY security enhancements perfect for any renter, I want to touch on an option for those who might be looking for something a bit more robust, or for anyone who feels they're not quite the DIY type. Investing in a professional security system doesn't have to mean making permanent changes to your rental or saying goodbye to your security setup when you move. Take the Pro Series from Resideo and First Alert. It's a state of the art security system that's not only professionally installed, but it's also designed with the modern renter in mind. The beauty of the Pro Series system lies in its flexibility. It can be installed without breaching your lease agreement, and best of all, it can move with you when you leave. If you decide to change rentals, the system can be uninstalled and reinstalled at your new home, ensuring continuous protection for you and your loved ones. Choosing a professional system like the Pro Series offers peace of mind through enhanced security features and professional monitoring while still respecting the terms of your lease. Ready to enhance the safety of your living space for everyone under your roof, including your furry friends? My next video, Life-Saving Tips for Pet Safety, is designed for both homeowners and renters alike. I'll cover vital safety features and smart practices to keep your pet safe, secure, and happy, whether you're home or away. From integrating pet-friendly smart technology to essential everyday safety tips, this guide is a must-watch for pet owners. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't let yourself be a victim of crime. With the right tools, knowledge, and community support, you can confidently secure your rental space. Let's secure our rentals one smart security step at a time.